So you're welcome back. So we've been taking, as we said what classes of hydrocarbon. We have the aliphatic and we have the aromatic hydrocarbon. We have been able to give different examples of those classes of hydrocarbon. So out of these classes, we want to take some under aliphatic hydrocarbon, which is what also under what acyclic, which is the what alkane and alkyne. But the first one I would like to talk on is what is the alkane. Are you getting me? So another name for this alkane is called what? Paraffin. Are you getting paraffin? This is spelling Paraffin. Paraffin. They may not call it what alkane, they may call it what paraffin. So they have the same, they have the general formula. What the general formula of what? Cn H2n plus 2. What this formula is the same for all the members of the series. Are you getting me? So take for example, we have the methane. After methane, we have ethane, propane, butane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and what decane. Those are the series. So they have the same general formula. Apart from that, they also have the same method of preparation. So, and I've written the lab preparation of this, heating of sodium ethanoate salt with soda lime. This is soda lime, NaOH. Soda lime contains of what? Caustic soda and what? Slake lime. So this one, this sodium ethanoate, this group will be replaced by a NaOH. This group here will be replaced by what? Hydrogen, to form the what? The methane, and to form what? The sodium triisocarbonate 4. Also, this is how to produce what? Methane using what? Sodium ethanoate. But if you want to produce what? Ethane, you are going to use what? Sodium ethanoate. This time around, not what? Sodium ethanoate, not sodium methanoate, sodium ethanoate. You are going to use it now. So this one also the same thing. This one is going to be replaced by what? The hydrogen group, to give us what? Ethane and what? Sodium carbonate. So those are the what? Preparation of. Also, if you want to produce the what? Propane. If you want to produce propane, you are going to use what? Sodium propanoate, not sodium ethanoate this time around, plus what? Soda lime. And I've told you soda lime contains of what? Slake lime and what? Lime water. So this one, let's move on to what? The chemical properties of what? Alkane. All the chemical properties of alkane. Number one, the combustion. All hydrocarbon undergoes this combustion to give us what? CO2 and what? H2O. It will always give us what? Water and H2O. Those are the what? Combustion reaction. Also, they also undergo what? Pyrolysis or cracking. This is how you call it what? Pyrolysis or cracking. And simple definition of this pyrolysis is what? Breaking down of long chain alkane molecule to the shorter one by the presence of what? Heat or catalyst. Those are the what? Those are the examples of long chain hydrocarbon. We have the decane. They can be broken down to what? 2 carbon atom. It might be 2, it might be 3, it might be so on and so forth. So we also have substitution reaction. This is the most important chemical reaction of what? The alkane, because it gives us a lot of what? Organic solvent. It gives us a lot of uses. Number one, when methane reacts with what? Chlorine. It might not be chlorine, it might be any element in the what? Halogen group. Are you getting me? Under the presence of what? Sunlight. The first product to give us what? Chloromethane plus what? Hydrogen chloride gas. So if there is presence of light, the reaction will still continue in the presence of what? Chlorine. Are you getting me? So this chloromethane will still react with chlorine to give us what? Dichloromethane, and also it also gives us what? Hydrogen gas. But mind you, this what? Dichloromethane is what? One of the most important organic solvents we have in the chemistry. Also, if there is presence of sunlight, this reaction will still move further. CH2Cl2 plus chlorine atom, chlorine molecule. So it will give us what? Trichloromethane plus what? Hydrogen gas. Also, the reaction will still move further till what? Till all the hydrogen atom is being replaced by chlorine. So this one, CHCl3 plus chlorine molecule, it will now give us what? Tetrachloromethane plus what? Hydrogen chloride gas. This one is what? Tetrachloromethane methane. This one is what? Trichloromethane. This one is what? Dichloromethane. And this one is what? Chloromethane. So those are the what? Important chemical properties of what? The alkane series. Are you getting me? Let's move on to what? Importance of alkane. What are the usefulness of alkane? Number one, most important use of alkane are as fuel. Like I told you, the in our gas cylinder at home, what is inside it contains 80% of what? Methane, CH4. Are you getting me? So it is used as what? Gaseous fuel at home. And production of what? Organic compound. Take for example, we get what? Dichloromethane from what? From the methane when it's combined with chlorine under the presence of what? Sunlight. Also, we also have others important: trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane, and what? Dichloromethane. Those are the what? Important of what? Alkane. Thank you.